To draw a peppermint, start out with a circle. And then in the very center of a circle, we'll just put a little dot here, which is going to be used to connect these little designs in the peppermint. So first thing we'll do is draw a line that kind of curves from the dot to this outer edge. And we're going to repeat this curvy line all across. Just draw another one. And another one. We want to make sure that we have an even number to fill them in. So let's see where we're at. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So I'm just going to go ahead and color this one in to help. Alright, so we can draw one more pattern in here. Okay, so once you color in the designs, we can add a wrapper, which will just come out like this, loop around a couple times. And draw 3 lines coming out here. And we'll do the same thing on the other side. Three lines. And there is how you draw a simple peppermint candy. Be sure to subscribe for more videos and let me know in the comments what I should draw next for you. Thanks for watching.